Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make two ponytails and take small sections out of it and tie it with the rubber band as shown in the video, and it's all done. For the next one, make zigzag sections out of your hair and then make it into 4 parts. Now take it first part and pull it inside out and tie it with another ponytail. Now take the small section out of it and make a bow. It's done. For the next one, make half ponytail and then make small sections on the sides as shown in the video. Make a ponytail and it's done. For the next one, make two sections of your hairs and then tie it with the ribbon as shown in the video. Now start making the braids out of it nicely and gently and then tie it with the rubber band, and it's all done. For the next one, make half ponytail, then make two braids out of it. Make a braid of a ponytail, make a cute little bun, and it's done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair, divide it into 3 parts. Now start making cute little braids out of it and then take the small sections from the remaining part of your hairs and keep braiding your hair very nicely and gently by taking the smaller sections. Run it completely till the bottom and then tie it with the rubber band and roll it. It's done. For the next one in the video, take two ponytails and then make 3 sections out of it as shown in the video. Attach it with the ponytails. Now take a ribbon, attach it to the ponytail and tie it very nicely and braid it. Now take it and make a cute little bun out of it and tie it with the help of a ribbon, and it's done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and start making small sections out of it. Now make it into 2 parts. Now take the smaller sections from the remaining hairs and start braiding your hairs very nicely and gently as it is shown in the video. Repeat the process as it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and braid it till the bottom and then tie it with the help of a rubber band. Roll it and it's done. Thanks for watching.